All right, so these are all the pieces for the enemy tray. So we're gonna be assembling this one here. Like everything else, I recommend gluing all these pieces together. Like I've said in all the other videos, we're just gonna be putting glue in all these different valleys here as you're inserting a piece in, as you work your way around the parts. So this base tray is pretty critical to start with in this orientation. On the tray that goes beneath this that holds all the different figures and everything, there's little notches that come up in interfaces with these 3 tabs here. So you want to make sure that this is oriented like this when you're assembling it. And basically what we're going to start to do is insert these inner walls into the base plate as we work our way around. And then we'll put the top piece on, and then the side piece, or the back wall and the side walls. So these are all symmetrical. You do have the 2 SPG logo ones, which go on the outside, but we can just kind of work our way down. So helps if you kind of start one of the tabs and one of the notches, and then just kind of work your way down the part, making sure everything lines up before you really push it in. Just like that all the way down. And then we're going to put the lid on. And this one could be a little bit tricky just because you're lining up 4 different walls. So again, it helps to kind of line up one of the tabs and then progress down to the next one. So we can kind of get started on this first one here. And then we can maneuver the next one down, get it lined up. And you reach in underneath here and maneuver the next one. Get it started. This one needs to shift this way just a little bit here, looks like. There we go. And the last one. So get it in position. Just like that. So we're going to flip it up kind of on its front end there. And we put the back wall on. So again, these are all symmetric, so it doesn't really matter which direction. I'd probably put there's usually a nicer side of the plywood, so I'd put that outside if you haven't sanded or anything. And just kind of work your way down, get the tabs lined up. Just kind of work from one side to the other. Make sure everything's nice and tight. I'm gonna flip it outside. And make sure you grab the right wall, or the correct wall. Because you got a top to the box, so you want to make sure the logo doesn't end up upside down. So, put that on there, and zip it on in. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Flip it to the other side. Do the same thing. So that is the enemy tray. So this is where the 5 different enemy drawers are going to slide into.